Today I will show you how to chat with LLMs inside VS Code. Let's see how to install and use Contine. First, you need to install it. Open VS Code, go to the extension view, and search for Contine. Click install to get it ready. Once installed, Contine will show up in the sidebar. Now let's make Contine use Ollama locally. You need to edit the config.yml file. Where is it? Let's find together. Here is the config. We need to change two things: the API-based URL and the model. Repeat this for all models you have. Once you save the file, Contine will use Ollama locally. Let's test it. Type a question and watch the response using your local Ollama model. I have attached a readme.markdown file and asked it add a new session where I can recommend some models. I am using Tianwen 3 model with a 4B parameter size. It uses about 5 GB of VRAM on my 2060 GPU, which has 6 GB of memory. The model is fully loaded onto the GPU, so all 37 layers are on it. Loading the model from the SSD to GPU takes about 11 seconds. This time depending on how fast the hard drive is. Using a faster SSD makes it quicker, while a slower drive slows it down. Usually it's around 34 tokens every second. Here's a quick example of how to chat with a LLM using VS Code. Thank you for watching. Thank you.